If you are dreaming of a Hawaiian getaway that combines old-world elegance with modern luxury, the Moana Surfrider, a Westin Resort and Spa on Waikiki Beach might just be your perfect match. This iconic property has been welcoming guests since 1901, making it the first luxury hotel in all of Hawaii. Known affectionately as the First Lady of Waikiki, this resort has hosted everyone from Hawaiian royalty to Hollywood legends like Charlie Chaplin. Today, it stands as a National Historic Landmark while offering all the contemporary comforts you would expect from a 4.5-star Marriott Bonvoy property. Located right at 2365 Kalakaua Avenue in Honolulu, this beachfront gem sits directly on one of the world's most famous stretches of sand. The resort underwent a multi-million-dollar renovation completed in 2023, breathing new life into all 445 guest rooms while preserving the colonial architecture and lush gardens that make this place so special. Whether you are a romantic couple looking for sunset views, a family seeking beach adventures, or a wellness enthusiast ready to embrace the Westin brand's rejuvenation philosophy, the Moana Surfrider offers something truly memorable. Let's talk about where you will actually be sleeping during your stay because the accommodations here are quite impressive. The resort offers 6 main room categories, each designed with the Westin wellness philosophy in mind, featuring those famous heavenly beds that honestly live up to their name. The entry-level ocean view rooms give you 350 square feet of space, which translates to about 33 square meters for those thinking in metric terms. You can choose between a king bed or 2 queens, and every room comes with a private balcony lanai where you can sip your morning coffee while catching glimpses of the Pacific. These rooms feature rain showers, 55-inch televisions, minibars, Nespresso machines, safes, plush robes, and complimentary Wi-Fi. The views are partial ocean or city, but honestly, just knowing the beach is steps away makes it worthwhile. If you want those unobstructed ocean views right from your bed, upgrade to the oceanfront rooms, which are the same size but positioned to give you direct beach views. Guests rave about watching the sunrise from these rooms, and the user photos showing those Waikiki sunsets are absolutely stunning. For those wanting a bit more space and luxury, the premium oceanfront rooms offer 450 square feet with larger balconies positioned at corner locations for panoramic views. These come with separate tubs and upgraded molten brown toiletries that smell absolutely divine. The junior suites bump you up to 575 square feet with a separate living room area, wet bar, and sectional sofa that converts to a bed, making them perfect for families of up to 5 people. The one-bedroom suites are seriously spacious at 850 square feet, featuring separate bedroom, living, and dining areas, plus a kitchenette and even a washer and dryer, which is fantastic if you are staying longer or traveling with kids who somehow manage to dirty every piece of clothing they brought. The ultimate splurge is the Penthouse Suite, which sprawls across 1,200 square feet or more with multiple rooms, a private rooftop terrace with 180-degree ocean views, and butler service included. The finishes here are opulent, though not many guests share photos since these suites are typically reserved for special occasions or those with very generous vacation budgets. All rooms received updates in that 2023 renovation, including new flooring, modern tech like USB outlets built right into the furniture, and enhanced wellness features. The design maintains crisp whites and plush bedding while incorporating subtle Hawaiian motifs that remind you exactly where you are. Maximum occupancy varies by room type, with most standard rooms accommodating up to 4 guests and suites handling anywhere from 5 to 8 people. Pricing fluctuates quite a bit depending on when you visit, with low season from January through March running roughly $400 to $600 per night, while peak summer months from June through August can push rates to $700 and beyond, sometimes exceeding $1,500 for premium rooms. The resort uses dynamic pricing, so booking well in advance or looking for package deals through the Marriott app can save you some serious cash. When your stomach starts rumbling, you will find 4 distinct dining venues plus 24/7 in-room dining to keep you fed and happy. The beach bar is exactly what it sounds like, a casual beachfront spot serving Hawaiian American cuisine with a focus on fresh seafood. Their ahai poke bowls run about $22 and are generously portioned with incredibly fresh fish. The Mattei, priced at $18, are strong enough to make you forget about work emails but smooth enough that you will want a second one. Fish tacos are another popular choice, and the outdoor seating for 150 guests means you can usually snag a spot without reservations. The dress code is casual, so come in your beach cover-up if you want. Live music happens Friday through Sunday evenings, adding to that perfect vacation atmosphere. User photos show colorful cocktails against sunny patio backdrops that look like they belong on a postcard. For a more upscale experience, Mattei's Hell's Kitchen brings celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay's concept to Waikiki. This place serves breakfast and lunch from 7 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon, then switches to dinner service from 5 until 9. The seafood focus shines through in dishes like lobster thermidor at $65 and the signature beef Wellington for $52. The smart casual dress code means you should probably change out of those flip-flops, and dinner reservations are absolutely required, especially during peak season. The restaurant seats 120 guests and occasionally hosts special Ramsay-themed nights that book up quickly. Professional photos show sleek modern interiors and beautifully plated dishes that justify the higher price points. The Banyan Court offers all-day dining with Pacific Rim fusion cuisine served poolside under the shade of a magnificent banyan tree that has been growing on the property for decades. Open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night, this 200-seat venue handles both indoor and outdoor seating. The Kalo pork sliders at $20 are a crowd favorite, slow-cooked to tender perfection. Kai bowls provide a lighter option for health-conscious guests. The setting here is truly special, with lush tropical plants creating a garden atmosphere right in the middle of the resort. Between 3 and 5 each afternoon, they offer a traditional afternoon tea service for $45 that includes finger sandwiches, scones, and pastries served on tiered trays. Finally, Surfrider Cafe operates as a grab-and-go option from 5 in the morning until 11 at night, serving coffee, Hawaiian breakfast items like Loco Moco for $15, and fresh pastries. This 50-seat spot does not take reservations and is perfect for those early morning beach walks or late-night snack cravings. Marriott Bonvoy members get perks here like discounts or bonus points. Guest photos show cozy interiors and those tempting fresh pastries that are hard to resist. Reservations for the main restaurants can be made through the Open Table app or website, which is highly recommended during peak dining times. The pool and beach facilities at the Moana Surfrider are where the resort really shines, giving you that quintessential Hawaiian vacation experience you have been dreaming about. The resort features 2 distinct pool areas to suit different moods and preferences. The main oceanfront pool is the larger of the two, measuring 2,500 square feet of freshwater paradise with depths ranging from 3 to 5 feet. This is where the action happens, with a swim-up bar serving tropical drinks and light bites throughout the day. Families gravitate here because of the kids' splash area that keeps little ones entertained for hours. Cabanas are available for rental at $100 per day, offering shade, privacy, and dedicated service if you want to upgrade your poolside experience. The second pool is smaller at 1,000 square feet and about 4 feet deep, designed as an adult's preferred quieter space where you can actually hear yourself think. Both pools operate from 6 in the morning until 10 at night year-round, with towel service, menu ordering, and attentive staff making sure you never have to leave your lounge chair unless you want to. The pools received design updates in 2024 when the Banyan Court was redesigned, adding new cabanas and improving the overall flow of the space. Now let's talk about the beach, because this is Waikiki and the beach is kind of the whole point. The Moana Surfrider boasts 300 feet of private frontage on that famous golden sand. The waves here are generally calm, making it perfect for swimming, and the resort provides chaise lounges and umbrellas for $50 per day if you want guaranteed seating. Beach butlers roam the sand, offering everything from fresh fruit to cold towels, adding that extra touch of luxury. Water activities are readily available with kayak and paddleboard rentals running about $40 per hour. The resort also books outrigger canoe tours, which are an absolute must-do experience that lets you ride traditional Hawaiian canoes through the surf with experienced guides sharing stories about the islands. The beach here is iconic, with Diamond Head Crater providing a stunning backdrop for your vacation photos. The water is typically clear and inviting, though it can get crowded during peak afternoon hours when day visitors pack the public beach areas. Early morning is magical, with fewer people and often the best conditions for swimming or paddling. The resort's beachfront location means you are literally steps from your room to the sand, which is incredibly convenient when you are hauling beach gear or chasing after kids. Guest reviews consistently rate the beach access and location as the resort's strongest feature, with many giving it perfect scores. The combination of private resort amenities and access to one of the world's most famous beaches creates an experience that is hard to beat. Beyond the pools and beach, the Moana Surfrider offers an impressive array of activities and recreational facilities designed to keep every type of guest entertained and engaged. The Westin Resort Fitness Center operates 24 hours a day, which is fantastic for early risers or those dealing with jet lag who find themselves wide awake at odd hours. The facility is well equipped with treadmills, free weights, Peloton bikes, and yoga mats. If you prefer structured exercise, the resort offers complimentary fitness classes including daily yoga at 7 in the morning and high-intensity interval training sessions on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. The Westin brand is known for its wellness focus, and that extends to their Run Westin program, which provides guests with mapped running routes around the neighborhood and even loaner running gear if you forgot yours at home. For those who prefer more leisurely activities, the resort hosts weekly events that showcase Hawaiian culture and entertainment. Thursday evenings bring a traditional luau starting at 6 o'clock for $150 per person, featuring authentic Hawaiian food, hula dancing, fire performances, and storytelling that brings the island's rich history to life. Live music happens daily at the beach bar from 6 until 9 in the evening, with local musicians playing everything from traditional Hawaiian songs to contemporary island favorites. The resort also features regular hula shows and occasional DJ nights that cater to younger guests or those wanting to dance under the stars. For families traveling with children, the Mauna Lani Kids Club welcomes youngsters ages 5 through 12 from 9 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon daily, and it is completely free, which is a nice surprise given how many resorts charge for this service. The program includes Hawaiian crafts, beach games, cultural activities, and supervised fun that gives parents a chance to enjoy spa treatments or romantic dinners without worry. Seasonal events add extra excitement throughout the year, with New Year's Eve fireworks viewing parties being particularly popular, and special holiday brunches during Thanksgiving and Christmas that sell out quickly. The resort's designation as a National Historic Landmark means there are also opportunities to learn about the property's fascinating history through informal talks and displays in the historic wing. Some guests mention that the resort could offer more organized excursions or adventure activities, but the concierge desk is incredibly helpful in arranging everything from helicopter tours to submarine rides to hiking expeditions across the island. The central Waikiki location means you are also within walking distance of countless shops, restaurants, and entertainment options beyond the resort itself. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.